Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to add transitions between two videos in Shotcut. Okay, so first we need to do is select the right video, and after that we need to drag it to the left side on the previous video. Then you will see here the default transition. It will look maybe something like that. But if you would like to edit this one transition, you need to click right mouse button here, and then you need to go to properties. Here you can select one from available transitions. You have here preview of your transition that you have selected. For example, I will select this one transition, but typically I recommend you to select diagonal top left. It is really great transition. Okay, so I will select this one transition, and now if I will click play button, you can see that this transition has been successfully implemented. So it's everything is video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. Do not forget to check links in description, and that's all. Thank you for watching.